James is having some baby food. And it's so yummy. It's so yummy. Yeah. So yummy.
Is that good?
So I'm having a big boy. Look at me. I'm eating the big boy food. I'm eating the big boy food. I'm getting my full tummy on. Should have seen me yesterday act like I was starving. Tried to eat Aunt Nikki's peach cobbler and then bit her hand when she didn't give me any. Like an animal. Is that yummy?
Yeah, I'm not as excited about baby food as I am people food.
You know how old I am? I'm 3 months old. I'm 3 months old and I already get my baby food. Most babies don't even get baby food till later. But I'm such a pig that I need baby food. But I love it. It's tasty. Look at me. I get more of it in than out. Yeah. How you like it? Rum, 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 rum. Just eats it up. You're doing that pretty neat, actually.
Bingo!
Yum, yum, yum. Is that good? Yes, it is. All right, let's get back to eating.